In 2024, over 5,600 people were killed in Haiti due to gang violence. But there's a more complex reason than news reports that violence has persisted like this, starting with when France colonized Haiti in 1697. At that point, Haitians were forced into slavery for many years, but when the French Revolution broke out, Haitians grew hopeful and saw their chance for change, which prompted the Haitian Revolution, the first and only successful slave revolt that the world would ever see. Even after Haiti gained independence in 1804, though, their fight was not yet over, as Haitian elites supported the plantation system. Because of the gaping divide in wealth, the elites easily got their way, establishing a government not unlike the previous one. Haitian government has been struggling ever since, due to many years of corruption. Their first democratically elected president was finally put into office in 1991, but since that point, Haiti has experienced disorder caused by natural disaster, as well as just people. Natural disasters have impacted every class of Haitian civilians. For example, in 2010, a magnitude 7.0 earthquake destroyed 100,000 homes and killed 222,000 people. This tragedy, along with many other environmental hardships, have brought Haiti's goals to foster a stable government to a screeching halt. I chose to discuss Haiti because it was described as one of the most impoverished and violent countries by the news, but the news never referenced how the gangs rose to power or how Haiti became so poor. So in doing research on the history of Haiti, I've come to understand how the violence there has been caused by a long-term deficiency of wellness in the central government. APnews.com recently released an article titled, "UN Chief Warns Gangs Could Overrun Haiti's Capital Without Additional International Security Support." This article examines the current state of their government, discusses the harmful gang violence that has risen in the wake of their problems, and lastly refers to their need for aid. Haiti's most recent president was Jovenel Moïse. Despite being democratically elected, he had authoritarian values, like many of his predecessors. Due to his poor leadership and the extended corruption in the government, Haiti's government has been in a perpetual state of decay. Gang alliances like the G9 family now have little opposition in their crimes because there's no one around to enforce the law. While the leader of G9, a man by the name of Barbecue, claims his only hope is to abolish the current government and create a better one, gang violence has been inflicted on civilians just as much as government officials. International aid and deployment of Kenyan police force. AP News also shares the concern of Secretary General of the United Nations, Antonio Guterres. Guterres notes that on top of murder, gang members have been convicted of sexual violation and the recruitment of children as well. He supports the deployment of the Kenyan police force, who will hopefully arrest the criminals who have taken over Haiti. To summarize, Haiti's most recent president jeopardized the last bit of stability their government had. There are efforts to make peace in Haiti pioneered by police forces from around the world. But without aid, Haiti will continue to suffer, which is why it is so imperative that the international powers help out. As Guterres said, we must urgently do everything in our power to prevent such an outcome.